Jambo jambo, hamjambo wanafunzi bora. Hello my good students. Welcome to today's lesson. Karibu sana kwa kipindi cha leo. Jina langu ni Milly. My name is Milly. And today we are going to learn about Swahili noun classes and specifically class Jima Lia. Jima Lia. In our previous lessons we said noun class in Swahili we call them ngeli za Kiswahili. Ngeli za Kiswahili. So this is our fourth noun class. If you haven't watched the first three, kindly make sure you go back and watch them. But before we get to it, if you are new here, welcome and welcome to the home of Swahili native speakers. All you need to do is to make sure you subscribe, join our amazing family, and then turn on your notification bell so that each and every time we get to upload a new video, you will be among the first people to get notified. For our returning subscribers, thank you, and thank you so much for always tuning in, and we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get to our lesson. As you can see here on the board, we have class Jima. So nouns in this class can start with any letter in their singular form, but the plural forms must take ma. Let's have a look at some of the nouns which are found in this category. So group 1 of the nouns in class Jima are the manufactured products, natural or built places, abstract or concrete concepts. And then group B, we have sehemu za mwili, which we say sehemu za mwili in English, they are body parts. So we have some of the body parts which are in this noun class. And then group C, we have matunda na vitu vya kawaida. These are fruits and other normal objects. So matunda, they are fruits. They are also found in this group, some of them. Let's head on. We have a look at these nouns which are found in these categories. So we are going to start with group A of manufactured products. Let's head on. Manufactured products, natural or built places, abstract or concrete concepts. And under this we have Roman 1 for manufactured products. Let's have a look at some of the manufactured product nouns in this class. So we have them in singular and in plural form. The first one we have blanketi, blanketi. This one is a blanket. And then in plural we say mablanketi, mablanketi for blankets, blankets. Dirisha, dirisha. This is a window. And in plural we say madirisha, madirisha for windows. Next one we have gari, gari, a car. In plural we say magari, magari for cars. Then we have gazeti, gazeti. This is a newspaper, newspaper. In plural we say magazeti, magazeti for newspapers. Then we have godoro, godoro. This is a mattress. In plural we say magodoro, magodoro, mattresses. Then we have sanduku, sanduku, a box. Then in plural we say masanduku, masanduku for boxes. Remember, in the start of this lesson we said most of the nouns in this class, they don't have a specific letter to start with, but in plural form they have to start with ma, 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 as you have seen and as you are going to see in other nouns that you are going to see. Our Roman 2 of natural or built places. So we have them in singular and in plural as well. So the first one we have daraja, daraja. This is a bridge. And in plural we say madaraja, madaraja for bridges. Duka, duka. This is a shop. In plural we say maduka, maduka for shops. Our next noun we have shamba, shamba, a farm. In plural we say mashamba, mashamba. These are farms. And then we have soko, soko. This is a market. When there are many, we say masoko, masoko for markets. Here we have ziwa, ziwa. This is a lake, lake. In plural we say maziwa, maziwa for lakes. Maziwa can also mean milk, milk. But in this sense, we are trying to mean maziwa for lakes. Then we have jimbo, jimbo, an estate. In plural we say majimbo, majimbo for estates. Now let's head on to our Roman 3, the last one in group A of abstract or concrete concepts. So we have them in singular as well and in plural. The first one we have jina. Jina. This is a name. Jina. In plural we say majina. Majina. Names. Jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Majina yako ni nani? Majina yako ni nani? What are your names? And then we have kosa. Kosa. This is a mistake. And then in plural we say makosa. Makosa for mistakes. The next word we have neno. Neno. This is a word. In plural we say maneno. Maneno for words. Then we have jambo. Jambo. Jambo is a greeting, but in this case we mean an issue. In plural we say mambo. Mambo for issues. Then we have jiwe. Jiwe, a stone. In plural we say mawe. Mawe. In this case we don't say majiwe, but we say mawe. Don't say majiwe. Say mawe for stones. The next one we have somo. Somo, a lesson. And in plural we say masomo. Masomo for lessons. Somo la leo. Masomo ya leo. Then we have wazo. Wazo. This is an idea. Wazo zuri. Wazo zuri. A good idea. When they are many we say mawazo for ideas. Mawazo mazuri. Mawazo mazuri. Good ideas. And the last one here we have jibu. Jibu, an answer. In plural we say majibu for answers. Majibu. Good. The first part is done. Let's go to group B. Sehemu za mwili. Sehemu za mwili, which we say in English body parts. Sehemu za mwili, they are body parts. Now we have them in singular form and in plural form. The first one we have jino. Jino. This is a tooth. In plural we say meno. Meno for teeth. The next one is bega. Bega. Shoulder. And in plural we say mabega for shoulders. Mabega. We have this one here. Goti. Goti. A knee. In plural we say magoti. Magoti. Knees. Then we have sikio. Sikio. An ear. In plural we say masikio. Ears. Masikio for ears. And then we have paja. Paja. This is a thigh. In plural we say mapaja for thighs. Mapaja. Thighs. And lastly here we have jicho. Jicho for an eye. Jicho when it is one. When they are two or many we say macho. Macho. Macho for eyes. Group C we have matunda na vitu vya kawaida. Matunda na vitu vya kawaida. These are fruits. Matunda, they are fruits. So fruits and other normal things. You have them in singular and in plural as well. So the first one we have here, chungwa. Chungwa, this is an orange. In plural we say machungwa. Machungwa for oranges. Then we have embe. Embe, a mango. In plural we say maembe. Maembe, mangoes. Another noun we have limau. Limau, this is lemon. Plural we say malimau. Malimau for lemons. Then here we have nanasi. Nanasi, pineapple. Pineapple. In plural we say mananasi. Mananasi for pineapples. Then we have papai. Papai, this is a pawpaw. In plural we say mapapai. Mapapai for pawpaws. Pawpaws. Then here we have tofa. Tofa, an apple. In plural matofa. Matofa for apples. Another noun we have here jani. Jani, a leaf. Jani, we say jani for a leaf. In plural we say majani. Majani for leaves. And now let us find out how we can put this in our day-to-day sentences. But before we get to sentences, we have here a note. We have a note. A note in Swahili we say zingatia. Zingatia. So it says, when using a verb, this noun class uses li in singular and ya in plural for sentence formation. When using a verb, this noun class uses li in singular and ya in plural for sentence formation. This is something which you have to note and you have to know before we get to sentence formation. So to our example sentences, and example sentences in Swahili we say mifano ya sentensi. Mifano ya sentensi. So let's have a look at these examples and then we know how to apply it. The first sentence we have, gari limefika. Gari limefika. This means the car has arrived. The car has arrived. And in plural we say, magari yamefika. Magari yamefika. So you find out that li is in the first line of the verb in the singular form, and then ya takes the first word in our verb in plural form. So yamefika, magari yamefika, to mean the cars have arrived. Then we have soko limefunguliwa. Soko limefunguliwa. The market has been opened. The market has been opened. In plural we say masoko yamefunguliwa. Masoko yamefunguliwa. The markets have been opened. Our example 3 we have kosa limetokea. Kosa limetokea. Kosa limetokea. This means a mistake has happened. A mistake has happened. In plural we say makosa yametokea. Makosa yametokea. And then number 4 we have jicho linavutia. Jicho linavutia. The eye is attractive. In plural we say macho yanavutia. Macho yanavutia. The eyes are attractive. Until this point, I want to say asanteni sana kusoma na mimi, na tutaonana kwa somo lijalo. Kwaheri.